Alright, testing out my 2024 X-Pro Templar 250cc dirt bike. You can buy these bad boys on Amazon, but I got mine on Power Sports Max. Here you can see this is the first ride I'm taking it on. Basically, I'm doing a little street riding, make sure everything's good first, but then I hit my neighborhood track over here. So first thoughts are this thing performs well. It's a dirt bike. It's a 250cc dirt bike. You can tell it's made in China. Basically, you know, little things. Oh, look, what's up, kiddos?
What's up, fellas?
That's funny. These are the neighborhood kids right there. Good kids. Anyways, hopping into the track here, it's performing well. Those knobby tires are really doing well in some of this thick, deep sand here you'll see in a second. On the street, it's performing just fine, no issues. I have noticed that it is very rattly. I don't know if that's gonna, you know, go away with time as I break it in. I do only have, you know, maybe 10 miles on this bike at this point, so this is, we're breaking it in here. I do want to say that I'm a brand new rider, so I'm learning as we go here. If you guys have any questions at all about the bike or really anything, the purchasing experience in general, feel free to drop them in the comments here. But other than that, I'm just going to let this video play so you can hear the bike, and yeah. In a second here, you can see that left mirror comes undone. Really no big deal, but you know, that's what you get with Chinese bikes. I'm having a problem where the mirror just won't fasten, it won't screw down and hold, but that's seriously no big deal. I plan on getting aftermarket mirrors anyways, or just not riding with them at all. But that's what I'm encountering with this bike, is just the little accessories are not so great. But the main components are good so far, from what I'm seeing, so yeah. thank you all for stopping by, watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop them down in the comments below. Also, go check out my other videos. I'll be trying to put out as many as I can on this bike. Make sure I answer all your questions and see if it's the right one for you. I'll also be doing some boating videos, probably some car videos. So if that stuff interests you, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.